Do you want to become a successful fashion stylist? I'm Ivanna from Made of Fashion and I'm an international stylist. If you're looking to launch a career into the fashion styling industry and love fashion, then my free live workshop is for you. In this free workshop, you'll discover the 3 critical lessons I learned on my journey to becoming an international stylist. You'll learn how to develop your own styling technique so you can style and dress yourself and your clients to suit absolutely any body shape. I'll share with you my secrets that have given me access to behind the scenes of the biggest fashion events in the world and how you too can make it in the industry. You'll learn how to position yourself on social media and build your personal brand in order to gain as much exposure for your business as possible. So if you're passionate about fashion and style, then click the Learn More button below and come along to my free workshop.